Welcome to Kenya, the Masai Mara, and our little piece of paradise. As you look out over the stunning landscapes, enjoy our Kenyan fusion menu, which embraces locally supplied produce and organically grown vegetables from our very own garden. At each meal, your taste buds will be tantalized by our carefully created dishes. We have family-friendly menus and all special diets are catered for. We will be delighted to share your special occasions with you, like birthdays and anniversaries, and we will celebrate them in true Maasai community spirit, along with yourselves.